Hey, good morning. Welcome to Thai Silicon Valley. How are you doing today?
It's all good. How are you?
Absolutely. Let me introduce you Priyanka. She took all of time and energy to fly from national capital of India, which is Delhi, correct?
Right.
And to win an award in Thai Silicon Valley. Priyanka is revolutionizing, and she was there yesterday at a startup bootcamp, a go-getter woman. Guys, you need to meet this lady, an entrepreneur and a startup founder.
I am Priyanka and I representing my company which names Revocant AI, and we are actually revolutionizing AI into the audit and risk management function of the company. So we are aiming to scan through all the transaction and give the complete overview to the company how they can see their processes and how they can save the cost and how they can ultimately save the money and profitability.
Yes, yes. I think that's a good value proposition. But I would also want to highlight that Priyanka has won Thai 50. Thai 50 is a global recognition for global entrepreneurs to be recognized in Silicon Valley. How do you feel, by the way?
Oh, it's feel very overwhelming, and I'm so proud to my company because it's belong to my company and hard work of my team, which is actually getting this award, and we got a recognition. It's that a big stage here,
Yes.
and it's really overwhelming. Yeah.
Priyanka, one last question. What was your founder's journey? Like, what it felt like when you started? What was the vision? You were by yourself. Maybe, like all entrepreneurs are lonely in the beginning.
Right.
Just share that journey. I know today's a success, but let's go to the hard part.
Yes, yes. So I'll just give you my little background. I'm a chartered accountant, which is equivalent to CPA in America, and I was sitting other side of table because I'm a diligence expert and diligence consultant. I have seen so many transactions where I was meeting with the startup founders when they are raising their fund, Series A and Series B, and I was just amazed that what is the enthusiasm they are having when they are dealing with all sort of outside world, and how they are struggling inside when they are managing the teams and their finances. Now coming and sitting in the other side table, I can really feel their pain because yes, the journey was not that so great for us. We started our company in December 2021, and we were having only 5 people. Now we are a team of 25 people, are almost both CAs and tech people. But yes, we grew together. Our story actually fantasized to our customer more rather than our investors. So yes, our customer has started believing in us because we are giving the straight cost saving. And I'll just give you one example. Yesterday night only, we just discovered that one of our clients saved 22 million dirham in terms of the cost saving, and it's a big achievement for us when we are dealing with the sort of leakages which they are having, and they see the value proposition in us.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. So imagine starting a company in a COVID. That's a role model of Priyanka. And I would say every woman back in India should give a little bit applaud and also look up to her that how you can start in COVID, because COVID was two problems happened in COVID. One was constraint, and constraint creates two things:
Right.
complexity or creativity.
Right.
And you chose creativity.
Yeah, it was a hard period, I would say, because company doesn't want it to meet in person because of the COVID, and we have to manage online and to, make them understand how we can, give them a saving. They were not able to understand because it's completely tech based, and what we are targeting is completely a traditional setup.
Yes.
So yes, it was a difficult time that which we have.
Yeah, so Priyanka, thank you for that. But Silicon Valley is all about giving back,
Yeah.
right? People over here make money, give energy, give time, and this is all about giving back. This is my last question, what is your philosophy for you to give back? Not always the money, but in entrepreneurship level, what would you like to give message to give back to community?
Yeah, never give up actually. Always try, because when you try, you become expert, and when you become expert, people see value in you.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Okay, we're going to welcome again to
Thank
Priyanka from New Delhi. Back to you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.